Hello, my name is Tesfi. Typical IT support interview questions and answer. Thank you so much for taking the time to interview me. My name is Tesfaye Bekel. I'm certified IT support specialist. I have been working for Messier, a local nonprofit organization managing a learner laptop for Revere Public School. I have an intensive experience in Windows installation, Active Directory, and Office 365. I'm confident in ITIL and proficient in the Spiceworks ticketing system. I enjoy troubleshooting computer system, printers, and network connectivity issue and resolve them for service level agreement. I am punctual and start my day at 8:45 a.m. I first check my voicemail to see if there is any urgent message on my work phone. Quick, if there's any action needed to resolve, then any reopen report issue, then I attend those first. Next, I check my email for flagged urgent message and tackle those response first. Then I sign on my phone and log into Spiceworks to see which open tickets I need to follow up and resolve without missing the SLA on them. If I complete my work, I spend time either provide support to my coworkers, attending any meeting, or keep a little bit time on hand, 30 to 45 minutes each day to learn something new. Sure, I was expecting that question. Honestly, I will use recent example of our end user called help desk and reported a new application not working. He was getting 404 page not found error in the browser. I quickly opened an incident ticket, captured the screenshot of the error from the users and documented it. After that, I asked the customer if he's had any couple of minutes to hold so I can also call the tier 2 support group and see what's going on. When I called tier 2 calls primary support, they confirmed to me that some overnight software update had failed that was causing an issue on the web application side. Technical team were working on it and tier 2 expect to resolve it about 15-20 minutes. Then I shared this information with my caller and apologized for inconvenience it has caused him. He was very appreciative that I reached out to the right team and gave him the latest update on the issue, expected resolution time. I notified my manager about the details of the issue and update the tickets once issue was resolved in timely manner. ITL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. It's a UK stand for service management, now used worldwide. It defined the process around how an organization handles incidents, change, and problems. Ticketing systems are designed to keep ITIL framework. Incident management goal to restore service to normal level, quick fix, work well. Changing management process ensure that only approved change and truly tested, change are introduced into production. The goal for problem management is get to root cause and prevent recurrence and incidents. Because I will keep an open mind to learn and I am adaptable. I am passionate about helping my customer. I am kind and patient with my customer. I take pride in my work and am detail oriented. I am hardworking yet find an innovative way to work smarter. I follow up on my task without a reminder. A lot of the soft skill I have used in my past job are also required in IT, such as customer issue resolution, good communication, good documentation, and follow-up. Following up, I wish to apply this skill to IT and also learn its tools and process. IT is used in every industry, so I would like to pick up more IT skills. Please, may I know how soon do you wish to fill this position? I will need 1 or 2 weeks to join. No, I don't. I will work based on the company needed. Yes, I do. Based on what is on the job description, what are some other immediate 30 days expectation from someone come in to fill this role? Number two is what advice will you have for me to succeed in this role? I do have an exact salary in mind, but according to the salary count, the median salary for an IT support specialist in the greatest Boston is 56K. I understand each industry and location could be different. Also, this may depend on education and experience. However, I would like to know that I am flexible and I am sure that we can work it out if you tell me your salary range for this position. 5 years from now, I would like to master my job and look for new responsibility. Good problem solver and troubleshooting skill, good communication skill, strong customer service experience, reliable, patient, and respectful, time management, always willing to learn new technology, good documentation skill. I can say no. I try to everything on my own and I do not seek help from another person. I often backfire because I can eventually solve the problem, but I try to learn to be more humble and to evaluate the problem before deciding to solve them on my own. On the other hand, I have great skill with computers and can explain different things in a simple way. So finally, users understand my instructions. I did my research about the organization. I realized that your organization has been financially stable. It offers a great benefits package and it offers a lot of opportunity for growing for its employees. A situation when you had an angry customer, situation when you had a conflict with your coworker, situation when you disagree with your boss. Outside of work, I would like to volunteer for local nonprofit organizations, especially tasks that are related to education and technology to help address the digital device issue within the community. Dynamic host configuration protocol, DHCP, is a network management protocol used to dynamically assign an IP address and other network configuration parameters to each device on a network so they can communicate with other devices in the network. DNS stands for Domain Name System, and it is responsible for mapping IP address with the domain name. It is a directory service available with the Windows Service Platform. It is store information, user account, computer account in a central database and allow user to have SSO, domain user accounts, for the company network. Blue screen of death is usually hardware or driver related, but most will show a stop code to help you figure out the root cause. IP stands for Internet Protocol, and it is unique identified for device in the network. IP config to find out the private IP address, subnet mask, and the difficult getaway assigned by the DHCP. Type in the Google IP, click on what is my IP to find out the public IP address assigned by ESP. Thank you for giving me time and to listen to me. I'll see you for next project. Bye.